Hey guys, in today's video I wanted to do a TikTok nail trend video, trying a TikTok video. So I saw this set from this creator here. I would want to recreate this. This person does really cool tutorials that are super thorough. Like this one's 12 minutes. So highly recommend checking out her channel. So we're gonna try to recreate this look today on my nails. I don't have 100% of the products that she has, so we're going to, what's the word, like experiment with what I have and show you guys that maybe you can create similar looks with what you have instead of having to go out and buy new products. So let's give it a try. I'll show you guys how it turns out. Let's get started. Okay, so this is what it looks like. She does go into like super detail. So I'm gonna go to her page. So this is her page, and then we can like fast forward through to watch it quickly to like get ideas. So this is what it looks like. She does 3 different ways. You're gonna need to do bubbles first. So I'm gonna grab my bubbles. Okay, so we're just gonna whisk up some bubbles and then let it sit. Okay, so first I'm gonna put on my tips or whatever. I'm gonna use the Susie's Quick Tips gel cover tips in the almond shape. So I'm just gonna quickly do that, not gonna kind of go through that like I usually do. You're gonna want to prep like usual and all that. I did get the nails on, so we can start with the next step. Is a silver cat eye. I don't have that. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna do a matte top coat, and then I'm going to use the silver opera. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna matte top coat these. So they're using a super clear silver cat eye here. Okay, you can see that it's like, I don't have that super clear silver cat eye. So our base is like a pretty thin silver. So that's what we're gonna do. So shake it, and then I guess I'm just going to, let's see how it works. If I cover the whole nail and then dilute it maybe? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I don't really want to get it into my sides here. So let's just, like I said, I'm just using what I have. I'm not going to be able to 100% recreate what she has because I don't have that. So I think this is kind of like a good alternative to a silver background. Then she's using a mint green cat eye, which I don't have. I do have this all tea no shade, so I thought I would mix this cat eye with a little bit of blue cat eye, and then maybe I can make like a lighter green cat eye, and then mix it, or a green cat eye, and then mix it with some clear to make it more see-through. That's kind of my idea here. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that is a better color. Okay, with that. So now I just need to make more for my whole hand. So you want to apply the cat eye, she says. Don't cure it. And then you're going to not cure this and place your bubbles on top. Do you see how she's doing that? And then full cure this, okay? So let's try one nail to start. I feel like my color is not really going to work as well, but hey, the point is it's like an experiment. Trying new things, you know? It's fun to do that. So we're not curing this, right? And now we're taking our bubbles that we have, and we're using the fan brush to pick up the bubbles. So place your bubbles on. Don't move it around too much, just pick up bubbles, oops, place them on. And then use your cat eye now, she says, with the bubbles on. My bubbles are trying to pop. Now I'm gonna cure that. So I'm gonna try to do this faster maybe, because like my bubbles are popping. I'm gonna try that on this nail. And we're gonna be a lot faster this time. So I apply this down. This is one of those trust the process, I'm gonna say. Cause like right now it doesn't look so cute. Okay, let's be quick here. Quicker than last time. Okay, they all turned out except the first one. So I'm just gonna redo that because I was way too slow on that one. And I want it to look better like the other ones. Super, super fast. Okay, so now this is what it looks like. So here we are. Oh my god, besides this one that I messed up, which still might work out. They look so cute. Now all these little things sticking up, she says you kind of just want to buff these little things that are sticking up gently. You still want to keep, do you see on this one, you can see all those little pieces sticking up? You want to buff that gently. And you want to keep everything okay, now we're going to clean it up with alcohol. Oops. So now we're doing white and blue alcohol inks, she says. So I'm going to shake mine up super, super good. I'm just using the Opre White, number 13. And of course, I'm going to try this wait. I have a couple blue ones from Susie. Which one should I use? Okay, she says to paint it into the cells, okay? Alright, that brush doesn't work. This brush, that might work better. So you take your white and you kind of want to like dilute it into these little whole circle thingies you have. And that looks really cool so far. And it is lightening up my green, so I thought that would happen. Lighten it up a lot and make it so it works. So like I said, you really just have to trust the process a lot when it comes to doing nail art like this. Ooh, this is super fun. Okay, the next step is the blue and into there. So this part is for visual interest here. Adding that blue, diluting it out. Kind of add it wherever you want. I had way too much on that one, so we're just gonna add more of the white. So that's what's kind of fun about these. Oh, way too much. Way too much. It's fun to play around and add in the blue, remove the blue, add in some white. Just play around, she basically says. Do what you think. So after playing with these, I feel like the darker blue doesn't look as good as the lighter blue. I used two different ones. So the one I like better is the NCE instead of the, there's two in there that I just don't like. I don't think Azure goes as good as this like blue with the turquoise does. There we go. Gotta get some of this off. Okay, so next she is highlighting some of these with that silver magnetic. So like I said, we don't have a silver magnetic gel, so we will highlight with our silver Opre. So again, you're just gonna fill in some of these little cells to make them kind of shiny, if that makes sense. Okay, so now she wants you to take your top coat and like, I feel like my top coat is, no, it's not messing up my design. You kind of want to like stick it into the craters and like rub it all in, you know? Like, do you see what I'm doing? It's kind of like jam it in to the little craters here. Okay, so we want to cover the whole nail, but you want like to see the texture. That's the word. You want to see the texture. Because that's going to be important, she says. So I'm kind of like dabbing so I can get into all those little craters. So we're gonna cure that 30 seconds. And then she's using 2 different chromes. She's kind of using like this this one would work. This is the White Magic, so I think I'm gonna use that one. And then I'll maybe use this one. This is from Get Buff Pro. So mostly you're gonna wanna use the like bluish green chromes and stuff, but she says every once in a while, throw in a little pink. I guess that's kind of gold. Mine's kind of gold. Oops. That's okay. Like I said, this is just for fun. It's not going to be perfect. Or match hers perfectly. Okay, and when you're done putting all that on, she wants you to use your gloved finger to like buff, 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 buff. Okay, make sure that there's no chrome dust and particles. So buff, buff, buff with your thumb or finger, gloved finger. These are already looking so cool. Look at that. Okay, you're gonna wanna do another stabby top coat to seal in this chrome and prep for the next step, she says. A stabby top coat. Stabby, stabby. I keep not doing the stabby. Not used to that. Seal in this chrome, stabbing it in place. So now you're gonna want to, okay, you're gonna want to file to try to expose the green color. You're gonna want to gently buff some of this chrome off your top here. And then it should, yeah, look cool, I don't know. Show some of this green coming through. Okay, I kind of see that's cool. So you're taking off some of the chrome that ended up on the green, I guess. And she says like, since you've sealed everything in, you can kind of like wipe your nail already to like double check and see your progress, keep going or stop. Now we're gonna cleanse, and then she says, at this point, you can just top coat, or you can, you know, she had like extra little pieces sticking up, so you can have more chrome, but I definitely do not have extra pieces sticking up. It's turned out cool. My best nail though is my thumb. So I filed into this one nail here, so I'm just going to add some blue art ink. Oops, too much. Always too much. So here's how they turned out before top coat. So let's top coat these. Again, I'm just using the Nail Career Education Reveal top coat to finish everything off. So I tried to stick to one product in this video, so mostly I used Nail Career Education products. Here's how they turned out in the sun. Aren't they so pretty? I could not stop staring at them. Mine turned out more like a mermaid look though. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell next to it to be notified. Make sure you check out that creator. I will link her in my description box and show her some love because her work is amazing. I hope to do another tutorial soon. So if you guys ever see anything you want me to like recreate, tag me in it. Hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!